Hi, it's Chef Crazy here. Today we will be making a nice yogurt mixed with some fruit. Hey, it's George here. I need a quick snack before I get on my call. Yes, George, that's actually a great idea. I was actually making a video on snacks, on a good snack. Yeah, but I need to be on the call in less than half an hour, so I need to hurry up and get this so-called snack that I'm making. Yes. Okay, well, I will respect your time and let's just get started. The first utensil we will need is a spoon, obviously. And the first step is to spoon a little bit of Greek yogurt. Just a little bit, not a whole lot, and spread it among the bottom of it. Step is we'll take some oats here and we'll just sprinkle them along the top. Step is we will sprinkle some berries on. And these berries are strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and of course, raspberries. So repeat this process till your bowl or cup is full.
Layering,
I will do that in a time lapse.
Layering.
So there we go. I mean, it's so easy to make. It's great for a quick breakfast, if you like it as a quick breakfast. And it's 100% nutritious. Ooh, this looks so good. I can't wait to try it. Hey, I wouldn't mind taking this right now as takeout. Thank you so much. Now I can eat up before my business call. Well, thank you so much, George, for participating in this. I'm Chef Crazy, and please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget, hit the notification bell, because then you will be able to get notifications on when more videos will come out. Until then, goodbye. This is so delicious. It's sad that I can't enjoy more of this stuff, but I do have to go on a call, so bye everyone. Woohoo!
Goodbye. I hope you make this recipe.